race. Race number 6. And the race is on. Speed Bullet. Fast to begin, rushing up. Para Goods Order. Copacabana, play the music. Pedro Penduko, like Ken Manila, racing 6 by the alongside is Yes Ma'am. Northern Arrow, entry number 7, second last. This one is Power Booster and Corduo, running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, Speed Bullet by about 2 lengths, followed by entry number 6, Copacabana. Alongside is Para Goods Order. In between runners, Pedro Penduko. Yes, Ma'am is racing in fifth by about 2 lengths. 6 belongs to Lake Manila. 7, play the music as they race the last 500. Speed Bullet by about 2 lengths, followed now by Copacabana by Darrell. And on the outside, Para Goods Order, Pedro Penduko. Yes, Ma'am. Lake Manila. Speed Bullet followed by Copacabana by Darrell. But Speed Bullet by a length and a half, Copacabana, Para Goods Order. And nearing the finish line from start to finish. Second, close Copacabana, Para Goods Order, then come Yes Ma'am and Lake in Manila for your fan, Top Hecta.